cool is this? We just made it to the Gdansk newspaper. That's us!
We have made it to the first attraction. It's called the Green Gate, but it's not green. So Tams is just researching why they're calling it the Green Gate.
Cool. So the name is associated with a nearby bridge, the construction of which utilized raw stone of a green shade. So that's why it got called the Green Bridge, Green Gate.
Green Gate. Our next stop is Neptune's fountain. I think it's just down the road through that tunnel there.
In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming.
So we're just walking along the old town streets, and just look how amazing this building is. Like most of the times you have to go to like museums and stuff to actually see the artwork. Well, here you can actually see the embodiments right on the buildings. It's really amazing, a must see.
So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up.
So we found Neptune's fountain, and it's actually originally designed by a Flemish architect, and it is one of the most featured things here in Gdansk. So it's also really popular because it's got this fence surrounding it, and on the fence there's a gold eagle emblem, and during World War II this was actually hidden and put with one of the treasures, and then it was only restored then in 1954. And then it got all rusted and full of bird poop, and then it was cleaned up and restored in 2010, 2011. So that's why we get to see it now.
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing on. So come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Don't let go. In your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough.
Perfect timing. We have just stumbled across, hopefully not a rally, but like a march or whatever this is called. Tams is running to the front, as you can see, to capture some good footage. It wasn't
Another parade is a political rally.
We are very good at finding these. If you ever want to know where the rallies are,
Follow us.
watch our YouTube videos.
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing on. So come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
We have just made it to St. Mary's Church. I know there's a lot of St. Mary's churches around the world, or in all the other countries, but this one's the largest brick church in the world. Now that is cool.
They keep saying time is science, but baby,
currently walking down Mariacka Street. It's a really awesome street. It actually gives you this old city, or like this old atmosphere vibe. Definitely a street that you should just stroll through. It's known for its amber shops. So if you're looking for amber, this is the place that you can go get.
Million years. Did I think I'd get so lucky? Never in a million years. Did I think you'd be mine? And now I can't imagine a life without you. And every song that I write's about you. Just thought you should know I'll never let you go. Never in a million years. Never in a million years.
He's mine. Cute hair.
We've just finished walking around and doing the city tour. The city is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Now Tams wants to have an ice cream because she saw everyone having ice cream. So now we have to go get her ice cream.
How magnificent does this look?
Soft serve Tams.
Really good soft serve. This is really nice, dude.
Are you happy? Tams is right.
As always.
The soft serve is quite nice. We have finally finished the ice cream. It was a really big ice cream actually.
It was really, really delicious.
Very nice, definitely worth it.
Yeah.
We're now on our way to the
The forum. Mall.
forum. We're gonna go get some groceries for tonight, and then we're gonna be heading back.
I don't really understand why, but there's this lady who takes pictures of everyone and then she prints it and she puts it on this paper, and I have no idea what it says. But look, that's us. How cute. So it's like a little souvenir when you walk down Long Street. So make sure you come in the afternoon because that's when she's there and taking pictures of everyone. You can get your own free souvenir.
We got our groceries and we're on our way back now. We're gonna call it the end of this vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow.